Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Intention. Learning. Experience. Today, we are going to explore the decimal number 0.407 using our place value chart. Take a look at the board. Notice the decimal point right in the middle? It works like a divider between two teams. To the left, whole numbers, ones, tens, and hundreds. To the right, parts of a whole, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Now, let's look at where each digit sits in 0.407. Ones place. We have a 0. That means 0 whole items. Tenths place 1 over tenths. We have a 4. Hundredths place. We have a 0. Thousandths place. We have a 7. Now, class, remember the difference between place and value. Place is the name of the seat the digit sits in. Value is how much that digit is actually worth. Teacher breaks down each digit. The 4 is in the tenths place. Its value is 0.4. The 0 is in the hundredths place. Its value is 0. Even though it is worth 0, it acts as a placeholder so the 7 stays where it belongs. The 7 is in the thousandths place. Its value is 0.007. So, when we read 0.407 out loud, we say 407 thousandths. Great job, everyone. In our chart, the number 247.935 is split into two distinct parts separated by the decimal point, the whole numbers on the left and the fractional parts on the right. To the left, the digit 2 sits in the hundreds place, 200, 4 is in the tens place, 40, and 7 is in the ones place, 7, combining to make 247 complete wholes. Once you cross to the right of the decimal point where the small mascot is pointing, the value of each digit shrinks drastically. The 9 represents 9 tenths. The 3 stands for 3 hundredths and the 5 represents 5 tiny thousandths. 0.008 total value is 0.005. When we combine all these individual values in expanded form, 2 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 7 times 1 plus 9 times 0.1 plus 3 times 0.01 plus 5 times 0.001, we read the full number out loud as 247 and 935 thousandths. When you move one place to the left on a place value chart, a digit's value becomes 10 times larger because you are multiplying its value by 10. For example, moving a digit from the tens place to the hundreds place turns 3 tens into 3 hundreds. Conversely, when you move one place to the right, a digit's value becomes 10 times smaller because you are dividing its value by 10, or taking 1/10 of its previous amount. This means moving a digit from the tenths place to the hundredths place shrinks 7/10 down to 7 hundredths. Every step you take across the chart simply scales the digit's worth up or down by a factor of 10. In the number 0.50, the digit 5 sits in the tenths place, giving it a value of 5/10. In the number 0.05, that same digit sits one position to the right in the hundredths place, giving it a smaller value of 5 hundredths. Because moving one spot to the left increases a digit's value by 10 times, 5/10 is exactly 10 times greater than 5 hundredths. In this challenge, we fill in missing place value labels for the number 5.729. Starting directly after the decimal point, label A points to the first spot on the right where the digit 7 sits, which is the tenths place. Next comes the hundredths place with the digit 2. Finally, label B points to the third spot to the right of the decimal point holding the digit 9, which is the thousandths place. To build this number, place each given digit into its correct place value position moving from left to right across the decimal point. Start by putting 4 in the ones place, followed immediately by the decimal point. Next, place 0 in the tenths spot as a placeholder, 7 in the hundredths spot, and 3 in the thousandths spot. Assembling these digits side by side forms the complete number 4.073, which is spoken as 4 73 thousandths. To build this number correctly, line up each digit into its assigned place value position moving from left to right. Begin by writing 2 in the ones place, followed immediately by the decimal point. Next, place a 0 in the 10th spot and another 0 in the 100th spot to serve as necessary placeholders. Finally, write 9 in the 1000th spot, which completes the final number 2.009, read aloud as 2 and 9 thousandths. To properly read decimal numbers out loud, follow 3 simple steps. Read the whole number part first, say, "and" for the decimal point, and read the decimal digits as a whole number while adding the name of the last place value position on the far right. Number 1, for 0.012. Since there are 0 wholes, skip the whole number part. Read the numbers to the right of the decimal point together as 12, and because the final digit sits in the 3rd spot after the decimal, attach the name of that spot to get 12 thousandths. Number 2, for 5.408. First, read the whole number to the left of the decimal point as 5, and say "and" when you reach the decimal point. Next, read the 3 numbers past the decimal point as 408, and finish by adding the name of the final position to make 5 and 408 thousandths. Number 3, for 0.075 meters. Skip the zero holes, read the digits past the decimal point as 75, and attach the name of the last position to get 75 thousandths. When measuring a unit like meters, add the unit at the end to say 75 thousandths of a meter.
Kaya nga sabi ko pag ano nga, titignan ko yung total. Kaya nga sabi ko pag ano nga, titignan ko yung total.